What's up, motherfuckers? I just want to show y'all something I just made. I don't know if y'all ever seen one of these before. I got to put some paint on it yet, but right there and whatnot. But anyway, what it is, it's a walking stick 410 shotgun. What it is, hold on a second while I down. Try and do it. Hold on a second, let me put the phone down and show you. Alright, that's cocked. Okay. That's all you gotta do. See if I can get this undone. And 410. You just slide that back on and it locks in place there. That's all she has to do. We all think pretty cool, huh? I just thought I'd share that with y'all fuckers. Well, I gotta paint it black and stuff, but and grind that little nub down a little bit so it ain't so noticeable. But it'll shoot. Peace.